So today we're going to be getting this roof rack down here and then coating the top of the roof as well as coating the top of the cab. We're going to be using a roll-on bed liner to make it nice and rugged up there. So this rack is pretty heavy. It's going to be fairly difficult getting it down, I think. So we'll have to rig up a little system to bring it down, but we're going to recoat the rack and then we're going to recoat the roof and then seal all the holes back up and really make sure that the new seal is watertight.
I think we're just going to slide it down the ladder, you know.
Hey, that's a nice piece, wow.
Just to get it, it's really heavy.
It's quite a truck here. Yeah, this thing's straight out of Mad Max.
He's actually not the first one to tell me that. The couple weeks that we've owned it, it's gotten called the Unit, it's been called the Beast, it's been called Mad Max, it's been called Terrifying. So drop a comment and let me know what you would name this. So before we get to painting, I've got to sand down and scuff up the existing paint that's on the roof. Alright, so I have the top of the roof here sanded down pretty well. I'm going to now move on to the top of the cab, which we're also going to paint in that same bed liner. So Dad is actually down there. Dad's in the garage actually sanding down the roof rack itself because we're going to do the bed liner coating on that as well. So I'm going to move on to the cab here and get kind of the edge of the box too, because I'm going to go down to the drip rail. So I'm going to go right over the rounded edge of the box into the drip rail just to give me a nice clean paint line so you don't see that line from the ground at all, and it'll just give the top of this a whole nice new clean look. So I'm going to move on to the top of the cab now. And so once I got the surfaces all sanded down nice and smooth, I went over and sprayed it off, and then I sprayed degreaser soap on the top and the whole truck as well to clean it up. So prepping the truck took the better half of a day because you only got one shot, so we wanted to do it right. Let it dry overnight, and then we are ready to start painting the next day. Dad got the trim and the edges while I started rolling out the roof. We only ended up doing one medium coat, and that was enough coverage. I think it looks really good, and it's going to be really durable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment and let me know what you would name this rig.